Looks like we're here. Roper Hollow boat launch. We are gonna pull down, load up our kayaks, and set out for the day. It's about 10 in the morning. It's already hot. The sun's already super high. Garbage? Looks like there's a vault bathroom over there to pee in. That's not bad. But we are crossing the Allegheny and camping over yonder for a couple days. We shall see you in a while. We are. We're taking off finally. Gorgeous day, 75 degrees. Looks like we're in for a great first day.
Thousands of dollars worth of lures and we're using this stupid present.
This and that shit fucking, there's a reason.
Why do you spend so much money on the other shit? Here. I ain't eaten nothing yet today. At least eat this. They're good.
Alright, these are the digs for the weekend. Say hi, babe. Right down there is our kayaks, and this is our little kind of inlet here. There's a stream that runs off over there down into here. That's the main lake. Don't mind me, I'm dying. Just hauled all the cooler and stuff up here.
Oh my God.
Nice fire pit. But we are going to carry the rest of the stuff up and start setting up camp.
Wait, let's see. What we got going on here?
So what you want to do, take it, wrap, one more wrap.
Nice tight.
I'm just trying to give us some cover. We're gonna get rain Monday, Sunday night. We've got trees above hand, but it's nice to not have to just sit inside your tent for.
Well, and I like this because there is another campsite next door, like.
It's the second. There's another couple, another side over.
But it's nice because we're going to put the hammock in here, I think. And then there'll also be a little bit of a privacy tent. Yeah, that's going to be cool. That'll be super relaxing. I'm determined to catch a fish in this little hole. But I was told that I can't go fishing until after we collect fire.
We are going to try the waterproof fire sticks. Bought them at Sportsman's 12-pack for like $5.
What are they supposed to do?
It says waterproof fire sticks. Starts fire quickly and safely, leaves no odor, burns completely, non-toxic. It says it'll burn even if it's wet.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna need
Having fun?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we brought Lunchables. My guilty pleasure. If you're wondering what I enjoy bringing. just one of them or two, right? Chicken and...
One for the veggies and one for the chicken. All right. Just a little chopped garlic. I know. I'm bougie. If anybody ever tells you that's too much garlic, just don't talk to that person anymore. You don't need that kind of negativity in your life. There's no such thing as too much garlic. Got a nice flame, probably a little too much. I should probably knock that down a little bit.
No, that's great.
No, you don't want it that high. You want heat, not flame.
What is? Oh.
I don't want to catch little fucking dinks. This is the spread. Get ready to eat. We got the big log on the fire.